Welcome to Pencil Paper Pals.
Hey pals, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw these two birds in a tree. Mummy bird, baby bird. And we'll get started right now. So grab your marker or your pencil and your paper, and we will start with the baby bird. So you're going to draw your first shape is a circle, like so. Then next to this circle we're going to draw the bigger circle, which is going to create the mum bird. So from the top here we're going to come around, and we're not going to go through the first circle, we're going to stop about there, just like that. Now our birds need some wings, so we'll do the wings next. So mummy bird, we'll start sort of about here and we'll come out, around and down. There's one wing. Baby bird needs a wing, so her little wing is going to start here and come up, and then she's going to have, like mum's wing, she's going to have another one on this side, but it's sort of tucked behind her body, so you can't really see it. Our little birds need some eyes, so one little, I like to, when an eye is closed, the easiest way to draw it is an upside down, stretched out U shape. So 1, 2, and then they look like their little eyes are closed. So baby bird as well, and then their beak is kind of like an oval shape, like that. Oval shape with, if you pop a line through the middle, then you can see the top and the bottom of their beak. Now we're going to give them funky little hairdos. So we're going to go bump, 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 and then mum's going to have a bump, bump, bump as well, just to give them some fluffy feathers, make them look a bit cuter. Now, our two birds are done, but now we need to give them something to be standing on, which is the branch here. And oh, we might actually, let's add the love hearts as well. So between our birds' heads, draw some love hearts. Love hearts can be a bit tricky, but all it is the start of an S shape. So we almost do the S as we come down. Instead of sweeping back around, you're just going to stop there, and then you're going to do the reverse on the other side, and that is how you do a basic heart shape. But they do take practice, so if your heart doesn't look perfect, that's totally fine. Now to pop them on the branch, they're going to need some little claws or little feet. So mummy bird, we're going to go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Baby bird's going to have 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. Now, depending on where you've positioned your birds, my baby bird's a little bit higher than my mummy bird in terms of where its feet are. That will determine sort of how you draw your branch. So if we start over here, our branch is going to come along, and it's okay if it's wobbly because branches, they're not perfectly straight. It's going to come along to the corner here where mummy's foot starts, and then as if the branch was going through the legs, we're going to come up here and we're going to create the end of the branch. So see how this goes up and there's some gorgeous little leaves? That's what we're going to create here. So this one's going to go up and stop, and we're going to come back down again, and we're going to do sort of like a wiggly V, like so. And this is going to start creating the branches, the smaller branches off the big branch. And just keep going. You can add as many of these as you want, but it pays to sort of do it now, because that kind of makes it easier when you are, rather than drawing your whole branch and then doing these, I find for me it makes it easier to do it this way. So now, where baby bird's feet is, this line here is going to come back up and meet with the tip of baby bird's toe. See, like that? We're then going to go across the bottom of baby bird's feet here, so it looks like the little claws are wrapping around the branch. And then for mummy bird, we're going to come between mummy bird's feet like so, and then we're going to come back out and finish the branch off that way. So see how the wobbly part of the branch actually adds to the texture and the look of what they're standing on. It's part of the thing, it's all part of how you've created it. It doesn't matter that it's not straight or that it's wiggly or that it's, wider here and narrower there. That's all part of what branches are, because they're not perfect. And now our tree branch needs some leaves. So to draw leaves, we're just going to do 2 arches meeting. And we're going to draw as many leaves as you want. There's no right or wrong for the leaves, but you tend to sort of draw them at the end of the branch. That's sort of where they sit if this was a real tree. I'm going to draw a couple more leaves here. Pretty happy with that. And we're done. Now you can colour it in.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!